Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start at the Rainbow Six Siege main menu and focus on the top navigation bar. Select Play to open the mode and playlist options. This menu lists casual, ranked, unranked, custom, and terrorist hunt. Make sure you are signed into your platform account before changing modes. If you are in a party, each member should confirm readiness. If any player is offline, the mode option may remain locked or prompt reconnection. Press on controller or enter on keyboard to continue. After opening play, move to the mode selector and highlight your preferred option. Choose ranked for competitive 5 versus 5 matches and league points that affect your rank. Choose casual for relaxed 5 versus 5 play and lighter penalties for leaves. Select unranked if you want standard rules without rank impact. Use custom to set map rotation, score limits, time, and even 1 versus 1 or 3 versus 3 matches. Confirm your selection to view available playlists and maps. Once you select a mode and playlist, confirm your choices on the right panel. Press play to begin matchmaking and watch the progress bar for status updates. Party size influences matchmaking efficiency, and a full 5-player party improves ranked queue speed. You can open filters to adjust server region and map preferences before queuing. If you change modes mid-queue, cancel matchmaking and reselect the new mode to restart search. Prepare operators and loadouts while the match assembles to save time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.